Hey guys, it's Jaime Zabidi. I want to show you two new listings that I just launched on Amazon. We got them ranked to the top of page 1 for the main keyword. What happened was we targeted one keyword, a very easy one, got it to the top. Amazon saw that we do so well with this keyword that they ranked us up for a lot of other keywords, and that includes the main keyword. So we'll dive right in. I'll show you a close-up view. Over here, you can see this is the first product that we ranked, and here are the keywords, and here is the search volume. So you can see over here, let's say this keyword over here, this has 23,000 people searching for it a month. And keep in mind, those 23,000 people that search for it every month, they are buying from the guys that are on the first page. 90% of them buying from the top 10. So it's very important to be as high as possible for this keyword. Again, we're focusing on the organic rank. If you don't know what organic rank is, there's sponsored rank, which you're paying for each click, and there's organic rank, which means that Amazon placed you here because they believe you belong there and you're going to get sales and they want you to sell. Amazon wants you to sell. They make money off of every order. So they're going to do the best to put you where they believe that you're going to sell. So we optimized the listing perfectly. Title, bullets, keywords, descriptions, everything. Made beautiful images, and that's it. We put it live on Amazon, and you can see over here, this is the keyword that we're targeting, 23,000 search volume, and you can see over here, we're in the 5th spot, and it fluctuates every hour on the hour, but right now we're in the 5th spot, and you can see over here, let's just go back. We can see the history of this product. This is January 19th. We are in the 200th to 300th spot, so we're not getting any sales at all. And then over here, just take a close look right here. January 23rd, we're in the 261st spot, and then look, January 24th, now we're in the 30th spot. We shot up. So we went from the 10th page or wherever we are getting no sales to the 30th spot. See that jump? Right there, big jump. And this is a month ago. So now we're going hour by hour. You can see we're in the top 4, top 5. Right now, it's been a full month. We own this word. I'm confident that we're not going anywhere. It's a full month and we're in the 4th, 5th spot, fluctuating between the 4th and the 5th spot. This is actually one of the most competitive categories on Amazon, and we own this term right now. And you can see over here that we are sponsoring a little bit, but the sponsored rank is in the 27th spot. So Amazon is telling us over here, suggested bid is $224 to $521. We're not spending that much money. I'm not getting ripped off spending $2 to $5 a click for this new listing. It's not worth it. So I'd rather spend 50 cents, 75 cents, whatever I need to spend just to get a little bit of action on this word, but nothing major. I'm not going to be on the top of the search and just get a lot of clicks. And especially I have no reviews right now. People are not going to want to buy from me. So again, we're sponsoring very little, not following Amazon's suggestions about how much we should spend. We're spending a lot less. And it worked. We got to the top 5, and Amazon, now that they see that we're doing so well with the top 5 over here, that now they took this other word over here, which has 168,000 people searching for it a month. And keep in mind, 168,000 people searching for a month, they're buying from the same 10 guys. So that's a lot of action right there. It's a great spot to be at. And you can see Amazon automatically put us in the top 10. Well, right now we're in the 11th spot, which is great. We just went up 5 spots. We're in the 11th spot. So we're getting there. This is the biggest term. This is the main term, and it's exactly our product. And you can see over here, the same trend. A month ago, we were in the 171 spot, 179, and then look, 26, 12, and now look, we're just going, we're on another level now. You can just scroll through here day by day, and you can see we're in the top 10. We're fluctuating. Now, for a while, we've been staying in the top 10, number 9, number 12. We're basically owning this term. Amazon's placing us here because they know that we're going to sell if we belong there. And we're sponsoring a little, again, sponsored rank, 50th spot, sponsored rank. We are not spending a lot of money on this. You should not overspend on ads. You have to make sure that your listing is perfect. If your listing is not perfect, you will overspend on ads. And it's so easy. Amazon could tell you to spend $2 to $4 on a click, which is what they're telling us to spend over here. And you know what? Sometimes people will spend, they'll put it at $4 a click and they won't even get impressions because Amazon doesn't believe that you belong there. They don't only want to take your money for the top bidder on the ads. They want to show your product where they know it's going to sell because they make money on both ends. They're making money on the pay-per-click, on each click, but they're also making money on each sale. So they're not going to show you, even if you're outbidding everyone, they're not going to show you. They want to show people that they know are going to sell for this word. And right now, if they think that we're going to sell better than the other guy, they'll give us a better deal. We can spend less and get more traffic. So they're ranking us to the top for these words. And I'll show you here. Here's another second product that we launched. Same time. It's the same trend. You can see over here, we were in the 36th spot organically 10 days ago, then the 29th spot, then the 14th spot, 6, 5. We're in the 6th spot now. We're in the top top 6 for this word. We're doing 0 ads on it. They wanted us to spend up to $2 a click. We're not doing that. And you can see this word went up, this word went up, this word went up, this word went up. Every word is going up simultaneously because Amazon believes in us now. We showed them we did so good with this word over here with 5,000 search volume. Now it's going to start to they're doing an auto campaign and bringing us up for so many other words organically. None of these are sponsored. The 21 best terms that we're tracking right now, the 21 terms that are most relevant to our item, only one of them. We're only advertising on one of them right here. This is the sponsors. So just goes to show you how important it is to focus on organic rank and make sure that the listing is properly optimized and you're targeting the right terms and not overpaying on the bids. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help.